From looms to wheels, the birth of a giant. In the heart of Japan, a company called Toyota started its journey. It wasn't making cars at first. No, Toyota began by building something quite different, looms. These machines, used for weaving cloth, were the company's bread and butter. But Toyota had bigger dreams. The company's founder, Kiichiro Toyoda, saw a future in automobiles. He believed in Japan's potential to become a car-making nation. In 1933, Toyota built its first engine, a sign of things to come. Soon, the company shifted gears from looms to cars. The transition wasn't easy. Japan was still recovering from the war. Resources were scarce. But Toyota persevered, driven by a vision of a motorized future. Little did they know, they were about to revolutionize car manufacturing forever. Learning from the best, the Ford expedition. In the 1950s, Toyota embarked on a mission. The goal was simple: learn from the best. And who better to learn from than the pioneers of mass production, Ford Motor Company. A team of Toyota engineers traveled to America. Their destination, Ford's legendary Rouge plant in Michigan. The Rouge was a marvel of engineering, a symbol of American industrial might. It stretched for miles, employing thousands of workers. Raw materials entered one end, and finished cars rolled out the other. The Toyota team observed every detail, taking meticulous notes. They were impressed by Ford's scale but noticed inefficiencies. Vast inventories sat idle, waiting to be used. Defects were common, leading to wasted time and materials. Toyota saw an opportunity to innovate, to do things differently. They returned to Japan with valuable lessons and a bold ambition to surpass the masters. Building only what's needed, the just-in-time revolution. Toyota's experience at Ford sparked a revolution, the birth of just-in-time JIT production. This groundbreaking concept challenged the traditional model of mass production. Instead of building up huge inventories, Toyota aimed to produce only what was needed, when it was needed. Imagine a car assembly line. In the past, factories would stockpile thousands of parts, seats, engines, tires. But with JIT, parts arrived just as they were needed on the line. This reduced waste, freed up storage space, and improved efficiency. It also meant that Toyota could be more responsive to customer demand, quickly adjusting production to meet changing needs. JIT wasn't just about efficiency, it was about quality. By reducing inventory, problems became immediately apparent. This allowed Toyota to identify and fix issues faster, preventing defective parts from reaching the final product. Section 4. A culture of improvement, the power of Kaizen. JIT was just one piece of the puzzle. To truly revolutionize car manufacturing, Toyota needed to change the way its employees thought about their work. This is where Kaizen comes in. Kaizen, a Japanese word meaning continuous improvement, became a core principle of the Toyota production system. The idea behind Kaizen is simple yet powerful. No matter how good something is, it can always be better. Toyota empowered its workers at all levels to identify areas for improvement and suggest solutions. No idea was too small. Even seemingly minor tweaks could have a significant impact on efficiency and quality when implemented across the entire production process. Kaizen fostered a culture of constant learning and innovation. Workers were encouraged to experiment, share ideas, and take ownership of their work. This created a sense of pride and purpose, transforming the factory floor into a hub of creativity. Section 5. Stopping the line. The Andon Cord's impact. Imagine this. You're working on the assembly line at Toyota, installing car doors. Suddenly you notice a problem. Maybe a part is missing or a tool isn't working properly. What do? In most factories you might hesitate to speak up. But at Toyota there's a simple solution, the Andon Cord. The Andon Cord is a visual control device, typically a rope or button, located within reach of every worker on the assembly line. When pulled, it instantly alerts team leaders and supervisors that there's an issue. The line stops, preventing the problem from being passed down the chain. At first glance, stopping the entire production line might seem counterintuitive, but Toyota recognized that addressing problems immediately, however small, was crucial to maintaining quality and preventing larger issues down the line. Section 6. Efficiency is king, the Toyota production system. Over time, Toyota's innovations coalesced into a comprehensive approach to manufacturing known as the Toyota Production System, TPS. TPS, also known as lean manufacturing, became the gold standard for efficiency and quality in the automotive industry and beyond. At its core, TPS is about eliminating waste. This includes wasted time, wasted motion, wasted inventory, and defects. By relentlessly pursuing efficiency, Toyota was able to produce higher quality cars at lower costs. But TPS is more than just a set of techniques, it's a philosophy, a way of thinking that permeates every aspect of the organization. From the factory floor to the executive suite, everyone at Toyota is united by a common goal: to build the best cars in the world. This shared purpose, combined with a culture of continuous improvement, has made Toyota a global automotive powerhouse. Section 7. A Global Legacy, Toyota's Enduring Influence. Toyota's impact on car manufacturing has been profound. The principles of JIT, Kaizen, and the Andon Cord, once revolutionary concepts, are now standard practice in factories worldwide. Companies across industries have adopted elements of TPS to streamline their operations, improve quality, and boost efficiency. Toyota's success story is a testament to the power of innovation, teamwork, and a relentless focus on customer satisfaction. By empowering its employees, embracing change, and constantly striving for improvement, Toyota transformed not just car manufacturing, but the very nature of work itself. The legacy of the Toyota production system continues to shape the global manufacturing landscape, inspiring businesses to achieve new levels of efficiency, quality, and customer delight.